Hello lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across my videos or my channel, you're welcome. Today we're cooking a rich and flavorful palm oil stew. I started by washing the turkey thighs. You can use any protein of your choice. I also washed the fish I'll be using for this recipe. I placed the turkey thighs in a pot. I added onions, garlic, crushed seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and salt. Then cooked until tender.
Soft light in the kitchen glow, peaceful rhythms, gentle flow. A spoon, a song, a story told. Love and flavor, never old. In the kitchen, peace and grace. Every spice finds its place.
Next, I blended tomatoes, peppers, onion, ginger and garlic into a smooth mix.
From the home, every meal tells where I'm from. Simple moments, softly shared. Flavors with Jennifer, love prepared. Morning stews or evening tea. Little joys and
In a pan, I heated palm oil. I also added the onions and let it fry for some minutes. Thereafter, I added the tomato paste.
Every bite a soulful rhyme. With every stir I'm saying clear your home. Your love right here. From the heart, from the home.
Then I poured in the blended mixture. I fried it until it cooked down and the oil floated beautifully on the top.
Love everywhere. In this kitchen, peace is known. Flavors with Jennifer, the taste of home.
After that, I seasoned it with some crushed seasoning and salt to taste.
Soft light in the kitchen glow. Peaceful
I also added curry powder and some rosemary.
a spoon, a song, a story told. Love and flavor,
Stir together.
never old. In the kitchen, peace and grace. Every spice finds its place. Sweet aroma fills the air. Home is love that's always there.
Then I added the turkey and some mixed stock. And I also added the fresh fish.
Moments softly shared. Flavors with Jennifer, love prepared. Morning stews or evening tea. Little joys and memories. Taste the care in every part. Cooking sweet.
I stirred gently and let it simmer until the fresh fish was perfectly cooked and the stew was ready.
Every bite a soulful rhyme. With every stir I'm saying clear your home. Your love right here. From the heart, from the home. Every dish tells where I'm from. Seasoned dreams, tender care. Flavors with Jennifer. Love everywhere.
Finally, I spooned off the excess oil. And here is a hack. Don't throw it away. This oil is packed with flavor and can be reused in rice, beans, pottage, yam, plantains, and many more. The list goes on and on. Serve your palm oil stew hot with rice, yam, and many more. Enjoy every bite. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.